Hey there, my Stampin' friends. Welcome to Movie Monday with Jody Brechbill, Stampin' Queen. So glad you guys are here and starting off your Monday right with a movie with me. We are going to talk a little bit real quick just to make sure you guys know about some things that are going on with Stampin' Up. And today is Monday, June 14th, which means today is our final day to take advantage of the Connect, Craft, and Collect special. So this special does end today at midnight Mountain Time. And when you have a $250 order or $250 workshop or party, be it your own or ones you're putting in with friends and family, we're going to give you extra host benefits. So instead of earning $25, you're going to earn $50, and then that amount will continue to increase based on what your workshop or your event total or party total is. So if you're interested in taking advantage of that, just message me. Right now I am a little hesitant to put out my host code because I'm having some glitchy things with my DBWS or my online store. And so just message me, guys. Just let me know if you want to take advantage of that by midnight Mountain Time. Or you can shop online over at jodybrechbill.stampinup.net. The other thing I want to remind you of is it's last chance time. So our JJ mini catalog is getting ready to retire the end of the month. Some things are already sold out, some things are already gone, but we do have a last chance list, and you can hop over to my online store at jodybrechbill.stampinup.net, and you can shop now and check out the items that are on sale. Many of them are up to 50% off, so super good deals. So I know the reason why you're here today, though. You guys want to see some stamping, right? We want to see a project. So I am getting out oh my goodness, I'm dropping stuff. Getting out one of my favorite sets, my favorite bundles is the Color and Contour bundle. So now this does have a set of dies that goes with it. And to be honest, I just returned from a weekend away of leadership training in Michigan. And things are still a little discombobulated in my studio. So things are still packed up, but I wanted to make sure that I did get a movie out to you guys Monday, because I didn't last week. I had something going on last week. Were my kids home? Anyway, I know I was away last weekend and I didn't have a movie Monday. I just got home last night at 6 o'clock. So normally I'm a little bit more prepared with my videos. And then next week I'll be going away to Boston. So I had to make sure to come in and visit you guys today. And I'm going to try and record for you for next Monday. So while I'm away in Boston, you guys will have a video. But so please bear with me that some of the things that I used, I don't even have my catalog unpacked. So let's show you the card that we are going to create today. If you are one of my Stamp Club members, this is one of the projects that you're going to make. Loving this stamp set, and I love this paper, the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. If you don't get the Pansies bundle, be sure to get the paper because you are going to love it. I love the gingham, and that's what we're using this morning. All right, so, oops, I've got my piece of Designer Series paper. No, I don't. I have a piece of cardstock. Oh, Lordy, it's going to be a long day today. Got a piece of Whisper White cardstock here. We're going to fold that in half for our card base. Then I pulled in a piece of Evening Evergreen, and ahead of time, I ran that through the Painted Textures embossing folder, another favorite that I have in the catalog. So if you don't have that one in your arsenal, be sure to check it out because I think it's one that you would really enjoy. It does a real cool background, not real busy, but just gives some texture to that paper. It almost looks like it's been kind of painted. So we're going to attach that here. There we go. Ahead of time, I thought I did. Where did it go? I lost my scallop. Oh, hold please. All right, I did go ahead and grab my soft succulent scallop, and while I was there, I grabbed the dies real quick too, because I am going to need to use that die. So these are fantastic, the set of dies. I am using these constantly, these cool scallop rectangles. So I've got my scallop die here that's cut out of soft succulent. Then I've got a piece of the Pansy Designer Series paper with that soft succulent gingham. So we'll attach that. I went off the page there, got a little glue on my table. I don't even have my silicone mat here to protect it. And my nose is running. Oh, happy Monday, everyone. All right, let's go ahead and add some dimensionals to that. We can attach that to our card. So I am trying to make sure this video is a quickie for you guys because I do struggle with that upload speed, and sometimes as my videos get bigger, my internet just can't handle it. So we'll make sure this is a nice, quick video for you guys this morning. There we go. We'll attach that. Then ahead of time, I cut out from the Stitched So Sweetly dies. There's it was stuck. My Evening Evergreen, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment right here. There we go. So very happy for you. And this could encompass anything, right? We kind of are in wedding season, graduation season, congratulations of anything that would work perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that. And I'm going to have it just kind of sit here off to the corner a little bit. There we go. Now I have a piece of white scrap and my black ink pad. Oh my goodness, Brechbill. You definitely still have your brain left in Michigan. I know I had it in my hand. All right, BRB. All right, guys, thanks for hanging in there with me this morning. It's definitely a Monday, and it is early. I normally record on Sundays, and then I upload, but it is early Monday morning. So let's ink up our flower. We'll just stamp that right on some scrap paper here. And then we're going to use our blends and color those in. So I've got my freesia. So I pulled in 2 of the new ink colors, fresh freesia. So let's do our darks. And I'm just going to go right where I would think there would be some shading. And put my dark in there, kind of here at the bottom. I also realize I don't have my glasses on. So let's hope my coloring goes well. If not, you'll get the gist of how to do it, right? There we go. Put our dark in there, and then we'll come back in and we'll just fill in with our light. Now I will mention, I'm pretty sure some of our new ink color blends are on the non-orderable list. So if you guys go try to place your order, you may get the message that says they are not available right now. They have been so popular that we are waiting on another shipment to come in. And right now, shipping is really struggling. It's not really anything that has to do with Stampin' Up. It just has to do with the global situation. And our shipping is just a little bit slower than normal. So hang in there. Some of the blends are available, but it is some of the ink color are. Most of the blends are available, but some of the ink colors are the ones that are not right at the moment. So hopefully soon. We're kind of gunning for the end of June. So hang in there and come back and check or watch my Facebook page because I'll be posting as soon as they are available. So gonna color in here with my soft succulent. Then let's grab the die and let's see if the baby, can we wake up our baby? Wake up, baby. Might be time for you to do some work this morning. And let's cut this out. Oh, excuse Excuse me for my runny nose this morning. It's terrible. So, since we don't have a magnet for the either machine right at the moment, we do not have a magnetic plate, and I do need this to stand still for me. I don't want it to shift since I spent all that time coloring. I am going to use a little bit of washi tape and tape it down so it doesn't shift on me. So all those old washi tapes that you have laying around, get those out and use them in your die cut machine. There we go. Thank you, sir. You can go back to bed. All right. And then carefully pop it out. How cool is that? I'll deal with that later. Let's finish our video. All right, so let's get out. I'm going to get some biddies. I love our little bitty dimensionals, so I'm going to use those and attach this to my card. And then we have a little bit of bling, and that will be about it. There we go. Always have to add the bling, right, friends? Always. All right, so there is our pretty flower, or yeah, our flower and its stem. Then I am going to do a little bow, so let's grab some linen thread here and do a bow. Sometimes the hardest part is finding the end of your thread. This is a brand new pack. Do I see an end in there? I might have to grab one that's already open. Doesn't help that I didn't put my glasses on. All right, I grabbed this pack instead. That's the Essential Baker's Twine pack, and we have a crumb cake one in there. So let's use that. Oh my gosh, I don't even have glue dots. I took those with me to Michigan and they're not here on my table. This is a preview of how my Monday's gonna go. That's not gonna be good. All right. Hopefully when my stamp club gets here tomorrow, I'll be a little bit better prepared. I will at least have found all my ink pads, I can tell you that. I had to take a bunch with me. There we go. I just want a little bow. I don't want a huge one. There we go. There's a little bow. Now, what I would normally do, I grab myself a little snot dot and I would stick that right there, but I don't have any. They're still packed. So let's go ahead and add our bling, and then we can wrap this card up. It will be D-O-N-E, done. All right, bling-a-ding, everything's better, right? So let's put a couple here. I do want to put one there. And I think that's good. I think we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna quit while we're ahead, right? All right, my friends. Hopefully you enjoyed today's hot mess of a movie Monday. And if you haven't yet, check out the Color and Contour Bundle. I think it's one you guys are really gonna like. So check that out. Don't forget we've got the last chance list. Don't forget today is the last day to take advantage of the Connect, Craft, and Collect. And hop on over to Facebook and follow me at Jody Brechbill Stampin' Queen. All right, my friends, have a great week, and I will talk to you later.